Hey everybody, this is Randy Santel, Atlas with Atlas and Zeus Promotions, the proud owner of foodchallenges.com. Very excited today. I'm going for overall win number 409. I am back in Liverpool, England. I am at Pattersons. I'm taking on their Quadruple Bipass Burger Challenge. Now, this thing looks freaking delicious. It's basically got 2 of their burger patties along with a whole bunch of goat cheese and cheddar cheese, along with some rashers of bacon. We've got some onion rings on top, along with a side of coleslaw. And then Pattersons, as a restaurant and bar, they're famous for their chicken. So I've got a couple pieces of their fried chicken right here. Along with that, there's a whole load of fries on the side. But the challenge with this is I've got 20 minutes to finish. So if I do win, I'm gonna get the 19 or 20 quid meal for free, and I will be up on the wall of fame. So let's get this challenge started. Alright, now with this challenge, one person has beaten it in the past, but they got a new menu and they made it a little bit bigger, so nobody's been able to complete the challenge of this size, and it's a lot of food to eat in just 20 minutes, so we're just going for the win, and we're going to shut up and eat. But let's get it started. I'm going to go with the burger first, then I think the chicken and slaw, and finish with the fries. 1, 2, 3, boom. Alright, now I don't know how I feel about goat cheese, so I'm gonna get that down early on.
Go, Rodney.
Seven minutes, 20 seconds left. Good? 19 minutes and 14 seconds. Had not much time left, but that was a rough one. That was so much food to eat in 20 minutes, but had to struggle with those fries. That was a lot. But I got the 19 or 20 quid meal for free. I got, I think it's either my 5th or 6th win in Liverpool, but thank you to Pattersons for the awesome meal. The chicken was my favorite. It was so good. It was very, very good. I'm glad I ate that after eating all that cheese. There was a lot of cheese on there, but their beef, the burgers were excellent, and the fries, I think there were like 4 or 5 varieties in there mixed in, but overall it was an awesome challenge. Didn't really get to enjoy it too much because I was so focused on eating, but thank you to Pattersons. It was overall win number 409. Thank you guys all for coming to watch and cheer, and thank you guys for watching too.